mamang ito, tumulong pa si Ronald Tubid upang makapag-erect po ng ganitong 8 puntos na kalamangan. Pinakamalaking lamang na po ito ng Barangay Ginebra sa ating ball game. Alright. Again, ito pong Barangay Ginebra Gin Kings. Manalo po sila dito ay automatic quarterfinals berth ng kanilang matatamo mga kaibigan. At para naman dito sa Wildcard Dragons, they're out of contention. Eliminated na early elimination para dito sa Wildcard Dragons. At maganda simula dito ng Barangay Ginebra. 10 na kaagad ang naging lamang nila dito at the start of the fourth quarter. Maliliit itong Barangay Ginebra dito pero ang kukulit, ano?
Paul Artadi really manifesting yung sinasabi mo, yung kakulitan. He's really picked up the defense para dito sa Barangay Ginebra, and you can see yung in-instill niya na intensity para sa Gin Kings.
Again, here's Kagiwa for the finish para sa Barangay Ginebra.
Turnovers, nagsusunod-sunod, nagdidikit-dikit para dito sa Barangay Ginebra, and rather para sa Wellcoat, and Barangay Ginebra knows exactly what to do with it.
Pabilis po na natin si Patricia Izon.
Para nga makompleto yung kanilang mission na ibabaw ng mga Dragon. Of course, Ginebra knows that defense is definitely their key here. Mark Agiwa even said that his teammates have to get back on defense, especially after they take their 3-point shots. And another thing that they touched up on, they want to be more active dahil sinabi nga ni Coach, they tend to watch Gaines make his shots and they're not really bodying up on him. And they also have to close the zone para daw walang nakakakat to the basket. Back to you, Mon and Jason.
Okay, salamat sa iyo, Patricia. But dito nga po sa fourth quarter po natin, ito ayaw na magpabaya dito ng Barangay Ginebra Gin Kings. Samantala, ito, sa kaano ng pagkakataon po, pumasok si Alan Salangsang to replace J.R. Reyes. Rick Meng, kapapalitan naman ni Rafi Rivis.
Well, obviously, that idea of going extra big para sa Wellcoat not working. Kung nagtatlong malaki sila, dun sila naiwan ng quickness ng Barangay Ginebra. Now they're gonna try to put in Salangsang. May kalakihan, but a little bit more quickness than the rest of the guys that they tried to put at that small forward spot.
So kapot 11 ang lamang ng Barangay Ginebra. There's the skip pass, the touch pass, and Mark at Kagiwa pumorma sa labas. Sumaksak Chris Alexander. Andun ulit para sa Barangay Ginebra. Ag-believe ka dito sa anticipation ng Chris Alexander, ano?
Well, it's much easier to anticipate when you're much taller than everyone else. Pero aside from the anticipation, obviously it's there. Rebounding is all about heart. Kung gusto mo kunin yung bola at may will ka para kunin yung bola na yan, more often than not, ikaw talaga ang makakuha ng bola yan. That's what Chris Alexander has shown. He has the will to want that basketball.
And here, mga kaibigan, makukuha pa rin ng Barangay Ginebra Gin Kings. Dinadaan sa bilis ng Barangay Ginebra. And Kagiwa firing, yes!
Another turnover.
Kagiwa.
Sayang yun, dahil para kay Mark Kagiwa, hindi naman nila kailangan yun.
There is Paul Artadi. Artadi burning rubber. Ronald Tiller with a stretch! Hindi mo mapasok yan. Sabi ng mga taga-Barangay Ginebra, sayang, kulang yung hipa nila para pumasok yung bola. Pero ika nga, eto pong showtime na para dito sa Barangay Ginebra.
For the first 3 quarters, itong Barangay Ginebra and Wellcoat were slugging it out at palitan ng kalamangan. We had a lot of deadlocks, and all of a sudden, itong Barangay Ginebra turns up the energy, at ito, lumobo yung kalamangan ng 14, and momentum definitely on their side.
Kaya nga po mga kaibigan, kumbaga sa boxing, unang 3 rounds, talagang di kita pa yung score, ano? Kaya naman po, ito, tumahataw na itong Barangay Ginebra Gin Kings. At nasa free throw line, ito po si Ronald Tubid. Yung malilit na mama po ng Barangay Ginebra, talaga nananalasa dito. Ito, balikan po natin ang ating Buhay Coke Shot. Yes! That was our Buhay Coke Shot brought to you by Coca-Cola. Lahat ng shots mga ganda at walang katulad. Kaya ang Buhay Coke, buksan mo. Wala yung kay JJ Harpervan. Ayan po. At right now, he's spearheading the attack of the Ginebra Jane Kings. At gusto nang iwan ng Barangay Ginebra ang welcome dito. At ito si Ronald Tubid, mga kaibigan. Kumagawa ng todo para sa Barangay Ginebra. J.R. Reyes. Will trip to the line. Ito pong si J.R. Reyes.
The well coach gonna need this free throws wala kay J.R. Reyes because Barangay Ginebra has gone on a big roll this fourth quarter. Only 1 point so far para sa well coach Barangay Ginebra, putting together 9 altogether.
So ito po si J.R. Reyes, naghanda for his second free throw. And at this point, wala ko sinabi tuloy ni David Diaz kay Manny Pacquiao, he's simply too fast. At
Huwag na natin sabihin yung pagkatapos na sinabi niya.
Alright mga kaibigan, Van Heusen is the shirt of choice for the power dressers. Van Heusen dresses up the modern man and endowed with serious distinction and clear-cut sense of style. Van Heusen, best dress shirt. Na si Ronald Tubid. At kanina po si Ronald Tubid kasi habang kanina po lumalamang ng Wildman Dragons ang early going po ng ating ball game, it's been Ronald Tubid ang nagsasalba dito sa Barangay Ginebra Jane Kings. At ngayon nga mo may 24 puntos na ito si Ronald Tubid. Alang sa langsang short stint on the floor. But suddenly to prove na Barangay Ginebra Jane Kings has erected an 18-point lead.
A nice move mula kay J.R. Reyes. And that's why a lot of scouts really like ito si J.R. Reyes. Every now and then, he's gonna show you a move that you might say, uy, this could be the guy that is the future of the big men ng PBA.
Oo nga po. At very consistent yan po si J.R. Reyes. Is double team now si Chris Alexander.